Diencephalon. In this unit, we are going to talk about diencephalon. So let's first look at the human central nervous system, the brain. So in the brain, there are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Now, diencephalon is a part of the forebrain. There are two components of forebrain, which are the cerebrum and diencephalon. There are four components in the diencephalon, which are the thalamus, hypothalamus, epithalamus, and subthalamus. Now, diencephalon is located in the deep central part of the brain. So when you look at the picture, you can see right thalamus, left thalamus, hypothalamus. Those are all parts of the diencephalon. So you can see the diencephalon is located in the central deep part of the brain. Now, since there are four components of diencephalon, we will look at each of the components. On this picture, we can see the location of the diencephalon. So as we said, there are four parts of the diencephalon. The biggest component is thalamus, which is indicated by the yellow print. That's number one. Number two in green indicates the location of hypothalamus. Number three, the blue area indicated the area of epithalamus. Subthalamus is an area that we don't understand fully, so the area of subthalamus is not poorly defined. Now let's look at the thalamus. If we measure the thalamus, it's about 3 centimeters in length, and it makes up 80% of the diencephalon, so it's the biggest part of the diencephalon. The thalamus consists of a pair of oval masses of gray matter. So there's one thalamus on the left side and one thalamus on the right side. Now inside the thalamus, there are white matter travel inside. This is the mid-sagittal section of the left brain, and here is the thalamus. This picture shows the horizontal section of the brain, and here is the left thalamus. Each thalamus is a large egg-shaped mass of gray matter. So there are two thalami, one on each side of the third ventricle. So the third ventricle is located between the left thalamus and the right thalamus. Each thalamus has three parts: anterior, medial, and lateral. And the three parts are divided by the white matter called internal medullary lamina. Now, the internal medullary lamina is a vertical Y-shaped sheet of white matter, and it divides the gray matter of the thalamus. The functions of thalamus. Thalamus is the major relay station for most sensory impulses. Therefore, when the sensation or the sensory afferent or the sensory impulses are sent to the brain, it has to go to the thalamus first, and then the sensory impulse will be sent to the cerebral cortex. So it is called a relay station for sensory impulses. The thalamus also contributes to motor function by transmitting information from the cerebellum and basal ganglia to the motor area of the cortex. The thalamus relays nerve impulses between different areas of cerebrum, and it also plays a role in the maintenance of consciousness.